Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make pole balancing on Scratch and I'm gonna show you how it works. So we have to try to balance this pole. If it falls, we lose. Now let's make it. So first you need to make a pole. I'm just gonna draw a line. So I'm just gonna draw a line like this. And also the tip of the this part of the pole should be at the center of the canvas. So when it rotates from that point. Okay. So first we need it pointing at the top. And I need to make this a little bit more bigger. The stick I made, the pole, little bit more bigger. Okay, that's better. And just keep it in a position you want it to start from. And let's make it point in 0. So it points upwards. And I will go to the x0. So it will start from the center. Okay. Okay, so now let's make the stick fall. So forever, let's add a set x to mouse x in the sensing. So the stick follows the mouse pointer, but only in the x. Okay. So after that, let's make the stick fall down. So let's turn it in this direction and let's divide the direction by 20, so it will fall. So you can't see it's not turning because the point in direction is 0. So if we change it 15, it starts falling. So it works. I'll keep it back to 0. And now let's make it balance. So what we have to do is we have to make the pole tilt whenever we move our mouse pointer. So let's take another turn block and let's add a divide block by -10. Then let's add a minus and the x position and make a new variable, or I'll just rename this my variable to POS, short form of position, and just drag it and put it here. And let's set position to just x position. Now you can see we can balance it. Wait. Okay, that's more better. Okay. So I added this pose here because if you just add the x position there, it just won't work. So that's why. Okay. Now I can balance it a little bit. Okay, it's working. Now let's make the project stop when the stick falls down like this. So let's just add an if condition. So if the direction is lesser than minus 90 or greater than 90. So add an OR block here, add both of these. And I just wanted to stop the project. So let's add and stop all at the last. Okay, now when the stick falls, it stops. Okay, and that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.